So the question is 3 glasses containing mixture of water and alcohol in ratio 2:3, 3:4 and 5:9 are mixed in equal quantity. What is the resultant ratio? What is the resultant ratio? So these are all ratio problems. So whenever the ratio will always be maintained, but when different ratios are mixed, it will change. Different ratios are mixed, it will change according to the mixture. According to the mixture, I can take any quantity, then according to the mixture it will change. Now what happens is, here some of the students are given the answer as like this. What they do is 2:3, they will add like this: 2:3, 3:4 and 5:9. So when I add this, it will be 10:16 or 5:8. Many of the students are given the answer as 5:8. It cannot be 5:8. See, whenever they are mixing, they are specifically mentioned it is only in equal quantity. Supposing I take 1 liter from here, I also will take only 1 liter from here, I also will take 1 liter from here. But what has happened here is, from the first you are taking 5 liters, from the second you are taking 7 liters, and from the third you are taking 14 liters. If they ask you to mix in the ratio of 5:7:14, then this is the answer. But whenever you are asked to mix in equal quantities, or if it is default, nothing is mentioned, you have to mention only in equal quantities, then what you do, water proportion is there. See, 2 out of 3, so total will be 5. Out of 5, 2 will be alcohol and 3 will be water. Well, 2 will be water and 3 will be alcohol. Similarly, 3 will be water and 4 will be alcohol. 5 will be water and 9 will be alcohol. So it will be the proportion of the mixture. When you are going to mix, it can only be the proportion of the mixture. So it will be, water will be 2 out of 5. Because it is water and alcohol, water will be 2 out of 5 and alcohol will be 3 out of 5. Because totally it is 5 parts. Totally from this 5 parts, 2 will be water and 3 will be alcohol. So the proportion will be 2 out of 5. Similarly, it will be 3 out of 5. From the next one, what will happen is, you will have to add it. So it will be 3 out of 7 and here it will be plus 4 out of 7. Plus here, plus it will be 5 out of 14 and plus 9 out of 14. Now this is the ratio actually. Now the resultant ratio will be this. So what will happen is, the LCM will be 70. The LCM will be 70. So it will be 28 plus 30 plus 25. Similarly, it will be 70 is the LCM here. It will be 42 plus 40 plus 45. The 70 will get cancelled out. The resultant will be 83:127. So the answer is 83:127. For this question, the answer is 83:127. Don't do like this. In fact, some of my students also do it like this. Don't do like that. 2/3 into 3/4 into 5/9. All this should not be done. All this should not be. This is wrong. This is wrong. So this is the way of doing like this. Unless they say take 3 quantity, 4 quantity, then let it change accordingly. So this has to multiply by 3, this has to multiply like this, depending on whatever they say. Here the answer is 83:127. Subscribe to my channel, just free of cost. I will be adding questions every now and then. You will be getting the updates.